Is it love? Who's that girl?
Prabha,
Are you human? You don't have sense? How many times I was telling you? Just
if
get
I
lost.
have, why will I follow you? I'll follow you till you love me.
It won't come on you.
Then in the next birth also I shall follow you.
Oh my god, it's irritating for me.
It's also irritating for me too. Okay, tell me your final decision. You are not loving me or what?
No.
Bye.
Bye.
No.
No.
What about now?
No, idiot.
Why dear now?
It won't come.
Hey dear, just tell me what should I do for you to love me?
Just jump into the sea, then love will come.
Okay, I'm going to jump in the water. I don't know swimming. I love you.
Hey, someone has fallen in the sea. Come, let's save him. Come on, guys.
Oh my god, so without knowing swimming, you jumped into the water or what? From that moment onwards, she started falling in love with me. Yeah, it has to happen, right? She has to fall in love with you, right? What next? Somehow people in her house got to know about it. Hey, don't say somehow and all that. They might have got to know because of you only, na? Hey, Karna. It seems that these fellows will never rest till the girls say yes. Once the girls say yes, then they'll carry them in the bike and keep moving from one street to the other and go on
Blackie,
like that.
just shut up here.
As if you are very fair. Keep saying. Hey dude, you continue. It became a problem. They took her to her house.
You could have told your mom, no?
She didn't bother about it only. She's seeing another girl for me. Central Minister's daughter. I didn't like. Now if I'm not there, Prabha will die. Whenever I face any problem, I come to you only. That's why I came.
When you came, you should have told me. Why did you jump? If you die, everything will be alright. You should live.
No, actually,
Hey! All the lovers in this world are really courageous because they have friends and they will make them. Your marriage will happen.
It's very difficult from him to get money.
Hello,
Be
boss.
careful.
Karna
Hi,
asked me
bro.
to come and meet
So
you.
you've reached by right time. Come on, have the key. That is a vehicle.
That vehicle's rental and advance.
You said it's for love, then why advance? Take it as a small gift from my side for your friend's love.
Thank you, boss.
Okay, all the best.
Hey Chandra, I am ready. You guys can come anytime. I'll wait in front of my house. Alright then. Okay, bye.
Super, Karna.
What happened?
If my dad makes some problem like this, will you also kidnap me like this? Hey, look here. I won't give you that many troubles, okay? Just give me the signal. I'll come running like this.
Hey crazy girl. That is not their problem. You can't compare them with us. Your father's wishes are genuine. If I can give him what he asked for, he'll give me what I asked for. Okay, bye.
Only that much.
What else do you want now?
You'll take 2-3 days to come back, no?
Yeah.
So give me something special so that I can wait till then.
Oh yeah, I forgot to give you. Your father won't give you any money at all. Take this 50 rupees for you. If you keep buying all these gas items, I will kill you.
I didn't ask for this.
What else did you ask for? Huh? What do you want? What for? Huh?
There's no one here. Come here, Karna.
Wait.
Look at him.
Hey.
Karma. Here I am, dear.
Uncle?
Come here. What about the appointment order?
Sorry, uncle. But I like your determination.
Now see that, okay?
Oh my god, police!
Are you?
Kalyani!
Oh God!
Kalyani! Don't shoot me, please! Don't shoot me! Cops on fired on me!
Not fired. It was a blast. You are scared of gunfire sound. You know how many vessels are breaking here? Our daughter was sleeping there. Please don't shout like this, okay? We have to send her for a school. At least one time, we have to give good food, which she prefers. Do you ever think about it? No, right? Police and gunfire. Keep on screaming like this. Damn it.
See, how many times I told you, huh? If I free from debts and financial commitments, then we send our daughter to the best school in the world. Wait and watch. I too have a thoughts and dreams about her. Huh. You know, just 1.5 crores. That's all my commitments. I'll easily sort out that. And then I'll take care of my daughter and my cute angel. You just watch. You want some water?
Don't give me water. Don't do like this. I'm very tensed.
Hello? Yeah, tell me. Huh? Oh. You started in the morning itself, huh? Nasty bosses.
They've made a mess out of this place. I'm the only one who's starving and cleaning all these things. The rice and veggies are over. Please understand that. But they don't care about that. All they care about is drinking, and that's it.
I told you several times. Don't you understand my words? Use the money for food. Don't use for the liquor. Oh, don't say starving. And don't ask me your money, okay? I don't care whether you eat or not. Regularly you are getting liquor, right?
Sano,
What?
this is don't say feudalism. If we want to sort out the problem with us, just settle the amount. Then send us back to our country. We are ready to go. We are missing our children and wife very much. It's been 2-3 years, you know.
More than my parents, a girl loved me a lot. My girl Neetu got married with someone else.
Any girl you are seeing in your life, she will be your dream lover. Isn't that?
Runel, if we talk about lost things, we too have so many things.
Leave that, brother. Take this. This is for our rice and vegetables, okay?
There is no soap and paste.
You go and wash with the bottle of drink. It will be so clean. Vijay brother, come with me. We have to go someplace.
Sano, they haven't given me my share.
What, brother? Put a pant and come with me.
I haven't finished my drink yet.
What are you doing?
Even if I have nothing to eat, I need something to drink.
Why do you need soap and toothpaste? Lazy and lousy drunkards made my life a mess.
Nothing will work out. We won't get back our cash. Even for Sony, we have to pay double interest.
Even if they pay interest over interest, it will not come to an end, correct?
Everybody is taking advantage of us. Even you too, brother. You get a gone back with the settlement on the day.
Waiting, I've lost all my drunken
Nothing is
stuff.
work out today.
Just try to understand our position too.
What's your position? Comparing Sony with you, everyone is signed.
What is this for?
It's my saving. Let it be useful in bringing them together. If tomorrow we face any problem, someone will be there with us, no? Use it for diesel at least.
There will be no problem for us. Hey, your brother is coming, you leave.
Oh, they came.
Hey, why are you going slowly? Go fast.
He knows it anyways, no?
But we should not show that we know, right? You are getting me?
I
Then
understood.
go fast, go fast. Hi.
Hi,
How long should I be standing alone, man?
that's why we are coming, right?
Hey,
What happened?
Hey dude, did you see something?
No, I didn't.
Even if you see, you won't say you saw.
Who's there in the phone?
Mother.
Does your mom know that you're here?
No, she doesn't.
Then switch off that phone, no.
What if Prabha calls? Hey bro, which place are we going now? Namakkal. What the hell? Namakkal. The place name is not clear, huh? Okay bro, you can come back in a couple of days, right?
We might come. We might not come also.
Hey Karna. Look man, somebody's asking for a lift.
What should we do?
Poor girl man. We'll give her a lift and drop her where she wants to.
Hey Karna, let us go na.
Hey, what man? We are going for you only, na? Hey, stop the vehicle man.
Hey, don't shout man, I'm stopping.
Don't mind boss. If somebody asks for help, we like to do it and then only relax. Just go a little closer and stop man. Ashishmi, just come back and sit. Come behind. Come.
I will come in car.
You get in here na. I fought so much for you to stop the vehicle. Hey, take the vehicle man. Hey, when you drive carefully man. Apply brake intermittently. Only then we'll have fun na.
Yeah, I know how to drive. You just keep your mouth shut.
If you want, you can sit behind na. Comfortably.
Hey, you're gonna get from me now. Hey, stop the vehicle somewhere when you see a shop.
Oh, okay man.
Hey bro, ask him for some side dish.
Yeah. Get down boss. Hey, get down fast man.
I'm getting down only na.
Hey, one packet of side dish. Hey, I'll buy her some tea or something to drink now.
Yeah, go.
Hey, excuse me. Can I get you some hot tea or something or what?
What happened?
She had it raw, man.
Where is she? I can't see her.
Gone or what? Oh my god. Hey, yeah, brother, did you see somebody here? No. Oh my god. Where has she gone now? That was the only entertainment for me. Oh my god. She had a gulp and ran away.
Why are you bothered for that? She asked for a lift. Now she got down herself.
Hey! Come on.
Coming back after shopping, I think.
Hey, not like that. I purchased little bit only.
Tomorrow, please send me out. Company drivers visit to me, okay?
Why?
I have to go to Moviara. It's long drive, you know. It's not safe to drive alone, right?
Yeah, okay. No problem. I'll send him, right?
Okay.
Whatever you're asking, everything is there. Even chicken too. Make a little bit hot and spicy.
You want it hot and spicy? Others don't have to eat it, huh? Do you remember one child is here? You will not selfish. You're always
Again
think about
started.
you.
Don't say something make me mad, okay? Darling, where's the remote?
Dancing in the park. I'm smooth, cool, and curious. When
9 p.m. maximum exposure. Economy has improved. Expert views and critical business information. Keep it on the Asia Squawk Box.
Rich and rich. Sexy, classy.
Daddy, please open this for me.
Darling, go and ask mommy, okay? She will open.
Mama, please open this for me.
I'm gonna try and do this as long as I can. Acting's kind of come up.
Just watch the TV.
This is the only thing you care about.
Don't get angry, darling. Why are you always get angry with me?
You know what is the time now?
Huh? What's the problem with the time?
Okay, darling, leave me. I have to prepare food.
That we can make it, Kalyani. Where are you going? Are you making chicken?
Mutton.
Then where is my chicken? Tell me, darling. Shit.
Leave me. Hello, brother? No, brother, it's not ready yet. It's not a small amount. Yeah, I'll give it to him. Darling, Kishore is online. He wants to talk to you. It's very important.
He's already said everything with you, right? Then what to say to me?
Please, talk to him.
Yeah, hello. See, more than you, I know how to sort out my problem. And I know how to deal with this. I don't want anybody advice. And one more thing. In this matter, he don't take an advantage, okay?
Hello? Shit. Hate them. Hate everyone. There is nobody for us. He was the last option for us. Now we lost him. He has no commitment. He is a good person. He wants to help us. And you spoiled that too. Without passport, our daughter cannot go for school. Do you know that? She is not his daughter, your daughter.
Who knows about that?
God. Just kill me and my daughter, then you can roam freely. Even I can starve. But no woman can listen these type of words.
Hello? Are you not in the cabin?
No, Sanal, I'm not there. Actually, Maya called me, Sanal. I'm going there right now. What happened?
No, nothing. I'll call you back.
My head is turning, my head is rolling. Oh dear.
Stop the car.
Why dear?
I'm going to get down.
Hey, your place. Okay, how did you come to know your place has come?
Irritating idiot. I get into the car, I can save only 2 bucks.
Bro, 4 teas, please.
Okay. Hey man, it seems that everybody is actually observing us.
Only 4 of us are here. Who else did see you? I'll give you one. He is nobody. He doesn't do anything. Yeah, tell me. We were waiting for your phone only. He is in this place. Then no problem. I'll go and meet him.
Hey, who yaar?
Hey, our friend, man. He has put restaurant in this place.
Hey, super. He's the right person. Dude, consider your marriage has happened.
Just one person equal to 10 people. He'll smash everyone, right?
Hey, do you know from which family you're going to pick up that girl?
Central Minister's daughter.
So you're very sure about that? It's very difficult for us to enter his house itself. And you people are trying to pick his daughter? Why do you want to guys take such a big risk in your life?
His mom is also really big. Ex-MP. Kanyakumari district.
Hello, sir.
All is well. In that case, you can call his mother and let her speak.
Hey, there is no way to talk there. 100 people are behind us.
What? Even I'm in this group?
Then what?
But when did I join your group?
Yeah, you have joined now, na? Now, whatever good or bad is going to happen, you are also a part of it.
Have it, bro.
I very well knew that I will not prosper in my native place. That's the reason I've come here for a job. You guys have come here too.
Don't talk unnecessarily. Can you help us or not?
After all, you are a hotel owner and then...
Shut up, okay? Did I ever tell you that I'm the owner of the shop? Did I tell you? Then why did you tell that? Okay guys, for the timing, just stop the conversation and have your food. I'll just come now, okay? Please don't open your mouth. Good morning, brother. What do you like to have?
Yeah, 2 parotas.
Okay, 2 paratha. Come on, quick.
Hey, who's this man? Can it be the girl's father or what?
This man is that house driver.
Driver itself is like this or what? He looks so very typical here. Marks all over his face, huh?
Hey, stop. Where are you going now? My dear friend, listen to me. Where are you going now? Please stop. Oh my God. Why is he pointing his finger to me?
Sony?
Hey, my dear brother Sanal. No matter wherever you go and hide, I'm gonna get you. I've traced your house already. I was planning to come there. I'll come one of these days. Eat Kalyani's food and sleep over. Yeah. But that can be done later. Okay, what about my money? Huh?
Sony, I'll pay back within 2 days. We are starving in home. Seriously, I don't have money. I'll pay back soon, understand?
I don't want to listen to your bullshit. I know you've lost everything and got stuck with 15 cases already. Even after knowing all that, I have given you money and helped you out. You know why? You belong to my country, that's why. And that Kalyani, I like her so much, you know. She's such a beautiful woman.
Sony, please! Don't talk like this, okay? I'll pay back your money as soon as possible.
I'm straightforward, I'll say whatever I want to. Once I get back my cash, I'll leave you alone.
Sony, please, just leave me right now. I will come back to you.
I'll leave you alone. But I saw you getting something from the ATM and putting it in your pocket. Let me have a look. Well, for now, I can do with this. See you later, brother.
Hey, don't pour everything, okay?
Let me drink first.
Don't drink everything and finish it off. We do not have anything for the night.
See, my dear Vijay, you know the God will sponsor everything to us.
You keep on drinking.
Who is that?
Must be Sanal, I think. He called up sometime before. Said he is
Okay.
coming here. You do one thing. You go. Go and get him here.
Okay, fine.
Close the door,
Hey,
brother.
what's up, man?
Samu, I escaped from that advocate.
What happened?
What's in kitchen? Something smell good, right? Oh, fish.
Hey, don't keep an eye on that. Stay back.
Get me some hot and spicy, brother. What is that? Rum or brandy?
Hey, that is our night quota, okay? Don't take it and drink it
Yeah,
now.
I kept that for evening. He will finish it off now itself.
So even you have started now. These guys eat everything hot and spicy. Once they use the restroom, you can't stand the stink.
This guy is unfit to be with us. He always smells and spies on us. That is the biggest mistake I've committed in my life.
Enough of your bullshit. You go home now.
I didn't say anything wrong.
Oh, Billy boy, just stop this.
What happened?
He's preparing the dish.
Have you seen the restroom's condition?
Oh, should I clean that too?
No, Sanal, but these guys are...
Oh, he's such a cleanliness freak.
Daily he is washing his underwear with lot of soap. If we have that money, we all can take bath for 1 full month and we can wash our underwear quite neatly. Who is on the phone?
Oh my god, I had a fight with Kalyani. She only calling.
Why is she calling non-stop? Ask her to call
What are you
later.
blabbing? I'm moving.
Hey, give some cash and
I don't
go.
have, brother. Let Sujit come over here. When he comes, surely he has something with Maya. So wait for that. I'll pay back to him. Okay, you drink.
What? Carry on? Did you bring anything here?
Bring
Whatever we had, you drank it all. Stupid.
That's your dad.
I think the fish is overfried.
These guys are impossible. They'll never
Come,
change.
let's have a look.
I don't know how do you get everyday new vehicle. But for me, the same old vehicle.
Hello, sir.
Suram. Yeah, tell me.
The old vehicles that got an accident. If you have a vehicle, something like that, we would like to have a vehicle like that for our company.
For what?
We believe in the saying that old is gold. We have to take all those vehicles and bringing them back into the market. That is our motto.
We are just like you. Rather than new, we believe in the old ones. Old is gold. We don't give away gold. You're very right, uncle. Bro, you're from the south or what?
Yes, sir. Now I'm settled in Chennai.
Got to know that from your accent.
I'm sure these guys planning will put me into trouble. My dear Karan, are you not afraid of this?
Why should I be afraid? You are there for me, right?
Why should I be with
You're
you?
here, right? You have given us place to stay also, na? In the terrace.
I think my bad time has started now.
Hey dude, why are you talking unnecessarily? We are going and doing the needful.
Will you please shut up? It is your plan, so you alone will go. I will not come with
So
you,
which means
okay?
you're not coming with us.
No, not possible at all.
Okay, leave it.
Hey, go, man.
Hey, go man. Hey, go man. Hey, who are you asking to go? You have to go. You have to go and get the girl. Go fast. You have to experiment with me only, huh?
Hey, go.
Daughter slept? You made her asleep, right? Meena, darling. Meena, darling. Mommy is not talking to me. Don't do too much, okay?
Don't diss me. What do you want?
Sorry. Actually, I don't mean to hurt you, darling. Just happened out of control. Okay, leave that. 100 times sorry. Please smile.
You'll always say the word sorry. You have money for alcohol, but you don't have money for house use.
Meenu, darling, do you miss anything in this house? Tell me, darling. Did I lose anything? Tell me, darling.
He's a mental. He got hyper. What else he don't have?
Then it's okay. If I am hyper... You know, our neighbor Maya, she is not a good girl.
Oh, what an invention. You better be clear, okay? What do you want?
I'm so thirsty.
Kalyani, what do you want now?
Good night and sweet dreams.
Oh, Very much needed.
Do you want blanket? No need. You know, I had a fish gravy today. No other way. I have to sleep now.
Get it, get it!
Hey, Kalyani!
Come on, guys.
Hey,
get the
leave
vehicle.
her.
Sanal!
Hey,
Get it!
Sanal, please help me!
Come on, let's go!
leave her! Hey!
Sanal! Sanal!
Stop! Kalyani! Kalyani!
No need for an alarm. You will scream at right time. You will not allow me to sleep peacefully. You are mad.
You know, you are kidnapped in my dream. That's why I shocked like this. Kalyani, to whom you speaking in morning?
What?
You know, when I was in restroom, I heard when you talking with someone.
That's Maya.
Maya. Why early morning itself?
There is no tea dust. What is this?
I thought of making a tea, but there is no tea dust, right?
When the tea is ready, I will call you.
Okay, then shall I go and do my exercise?
Okay, carry on.
Oh my god. Hey! Is it?
How do you sing so cool like this?
She didn't say anything about me.
Mm-hmm.
I said you Kalyani singing song only. In our country, I'm an average singer. My father also singer. Will you sing, Maya?
No.
Why? What did you sing sometime?
With all these problems around, how can we sing songs like this? How can you lead life so relaxed? That's what I mean to ask. Your daughter is 7 years now. Which country citizen she will be? No documents, no passport.
Now you also started advising me, huh? Advice is the only thing I get free.
It doesn't make any difference, Maya. I have got the tea powder. Do you want to make tea now?
Thank you so much. First of all, you have to clean yourself. Move. Tea. Oh, no need.
Hey, who are you, man?
My name is Martin.
Which place, man?
A nearby village.
Uncle, he's a robber, uncle. Why did you come?
I came to rob.
How much did you steal till now?
Oh my god. I am not such a big thief as you think. Just for living, I do little crimes like that. On promise, sir. Just like now, I just came to steal a small bucket from here. Oh my God! And then you people caught me. Your people hit me so badly. If you give me a 50 or 100, I can go and see a doctor and then go.
First of all, you have come to steal, and over and above that, you are joking here, huh? Hey, leave it. He looks like a mad fellow, huh? Uncle, you are right, uncle. I should not see you anymore here. Here.
Somehow, I have a gut feeling that that person is a nice guy. We are only unnecessarily taking a risk. If we straight away go and ask him for the girl, he will directly give it, I think.
Yeah, he will surely give. If those people know the reason behind you coming here, you guys will get nicely.
You didn't come only, na? Then why are you commenting?
Just thinking about your plan, I'm not well for the past 4 days. The moment I knew those guys caught you, I started shivering.
You like me so much, huh?
That's not the reason, you fool. If they know that I'm also with you, I will get into trouble, you know?
Hey, will I do all that, bro?
I will not believe you guys.
You yourself will get caught.
What are you talking? How did I get trapped in your group? Guys, leave this place immediately. Hey, you! You are the only reason behind all these problems. First, you leave immediately. Karan, my dear Karan, change your mind. Otherwise, all of us will get into trouble.
There is no other go. He has come for me. He believes in me. Even if you grab a thorn, grab it properly.
You can hold it tightly. But please don't call me for anything, okay?
Hello, welcome, madam.
Just trace the number. Immediately call me. Yes. My son is missing. He's not even picking my call. My son is here only. If he is not here, Palanivel Raman only responsible for this.
Hey, joking or what? What have I got to do with his missing? My daughter is safe.
Then my son also safe place only. If anything happened for him.
Ma'am, we will leave it like that or what? Sir is one of our major leaders.
Hi.
Hi. Why are you getting worried, ma'am? This is after all our place. We'll do whatever we can.
Yeah, tell me.
The mobile phone signal is shown in Namakkal only, ma'am.
Thank you. My son also in this place only. Tell someone to stand in Palanivel Raman place. Just tell them who is going and coming in that place. I know my son will be coming there.
Where is she?
Inside the temple.
Are you sure it's her?
There was another girl also along with her. He should only recognize.
Come, bro. Hey, come.
How is the girl, dude?
What is your problem? He's only going to get married, right?
Okay, man, but I cannot take risk for an ugly looking girl. I should see. Only then I'll take.
If any lady calls and asks for something, if the shopkeeper gives everything in credit, if I asked anything in credit, he will shout. So, you just go and ask for credit.
I can't do that. Even the previous credit is not settled.
That is. Okay, let me see.
Shit. Nowadays my life has become a hell. What are you looking at?
Oh, dear God.
Sanal, the check you gave me for the house rent has bounced before 2 weeks. Let's talk about that. Now the electricity bills, look here. You haven't paid the electricity bill and the water charges. You are the only people who is doing this in the flat. They asked me to cut power and water supply 2 days ago. I know you are a family man. And how can you manage without power and water supply with a kid? Now look at me, Sanal. I cannot manage. I cannot manage it anymore. Otherwise, I will lose my job, you know.
Brother, please suggest me another 4-5 days. We are living here so for a long time. Earlier I paid rent promptly, right?
I don't know anything about that. You just go to the office and tell them. If you lost the money, how can I be responsible for that? If I lose my job, I will become like you. I can't leave my wife and kids starving.
Mind your words, okay?
What is this?
Is this your family property? I will talk to the office members. I want to know who will give the rights to talk to anyone like this.
Just go, man. Are you trying to make me scared?
Hey, go, man. Bloody scoundrel.
Every day there is a new problem. We are already facing enough cases, and day by day it is increasing. Now, if our flat owners file a case against us, that's
You
it.
see, how long can we manage just like this? We will also get chucked out. What is the solution for this?
Already I told you, right? However, I'll pay you whenever I come to the native. I told you just go back to your country. Then you didn't move. Now you are just blaming me.
How long we wait like this? Please send us back to the country. My friends are blaming. Every 5 to 6 years, government will sponsor someone to go back to their country.
Then just go like that. So what?
So what means what? We have our children and wife waiting there, you know? Now you are only thinking about yourself.
I'm only taking care of you people, right?
Yes, son of-
Wherever you
Hey,
want.
hey,
don't
relax,
go.
relax. Come here, come here.
It's unbearable now.
Oh, come on, guys. Let's go home. Stop.
Taxi.
No, okay. I'll get in the front.
Sit in the front.
Don't worry, Daddy. Everything will be alright. He's worried about he couldn't come and meet you in person. Now there is few more problems to sort out. If it is over, we will come back there. Then all of us will be with you, Daddy. Oh. Hey, Meenu. Don't kick me, okay?
Oh, my granddaughter? Give it to her for a minute.
Darling, come and talk to him.
Meenu, darling.
It's your grandpa. He wants to talk to you. Come fast, Meenu. Come in, Maya. It's my father-in-law.
Okay.
Oh, somebody has
Meenu?
come? Is it the girl next door? That is okay. I'll call you later. I actually wanted to talk to Sanal. It's been a very long time, you know. Tell him to call me. I'm not able to talk to him because he's changing his number.
Okay, Daddy.
Is your father-in-law alone at home?
Yeah. Friends arranged a home nurse. She is taking care of him. Father-in-law wants to meet us. He is missing all of us. Above all of that, my husband will always do like this. As we could not go back to India, he told he will bring Daddy here. He is trying for that. I know he is bluffing. My father-in-law does not know that he is lying.
When your mother-in-law died, you couldn't go to funeral, no? It should not again happen to your father-in-law. I didn't mean to hurt you. Your father-in-law till now didn't see your daughter, no? That's what I meant to say. Okay, forget it, Kalyani. What you prepared for today? Nikuti, come here.
Meenu, darling, Auntie is calling you.
Whenever I come here, I feel so relaxed. Even I don't know when will my husband come and go.
Whenever I talk to you, I feel relaxed. That is the only option I have. I am not much educated. Otherwise, I could try for a job at least.
My husband calling. Okay, I'm leaving now, okay? I think for him lunch break. That's why he called me.
Thank you.
you really love Saravanan? Don't stop. Just keep walking.
I will die if he is not here.
Don't worry. As soon as you get out of the temple, we are going to kidnap you. You both are going to get married. Cooperate with us.
Where is he now?
He's inside the car.
Then father?
We'll take care of him. You don't need to hurry.
Okay.
Just do as I say.
Oh, sure.
Where is he?
He was there behind us only.
Where has he gone?
Hey, 3 people left. Why are you going away? 3 more people.
Wherever he goes, he asks for this.
Go wherever
Why
you
are you
want
going
to
very
go.
fast, man? Hey,
What are you doing
I'm
here?
getting for you people
did
also,
we ask
man.
for-
Hey, come. Hey, why have you brought me here, man? Let's go and see the girl now. Come, let's
We
go.
have seen her.
Hey, I didn't see na.
Hey, you don't have to approve her. You sit down here.
What? I cannot take risks for people who I have not
Hey,
seen.
stop it now. I've spoken to her.
With whom?
Your girl.
What you're saying is it true?
Within 5 minutes, we are taking her.
Seriously or what?
Your mom is also
Hey,
here.
wait.
Hey! Why are you so scared of her? She's there only. We have anyways decided to do it. Now whatever happens, we should do it. I thought it wouldn't be this tough. But it seems to be tough.
Is it really so tough?
Nothing to get tensed about. We will take her.
My mom would have not come alone. She will have her own henchmen with her.
Hey, your mom must have bodyguards. But this whole place belongs to him. Let's see what we can do. Call your mom now. Hey, I am telling you, call her right now. Tell her you have been kidnapped by her father. Tell her that.
Saravana?
Parni has actually kidnapped me. You come fast.
Hey, Parani Velraman! Where is my son?
What do you mean?
You know that. Somewhere you only hided my son. Why you are treating my son like this? Tell me.
Hey, come on, get lost.
Stop. Tell me now and go.
Hey, ma'am, what do you mean by talking like this? My uncle is so cheap or what?
Yeah, ask her.
Hey, give respect and talk.
What? You're coming and threatening us at our place or what?
Hey, I am also from this place, man. Hey, you be here only.
When I cut the phone call, can't you understand there will be a reason? I was sitting with that Kalyani. Luckily, she didn't understand. But I was really shocked, you know.
Brother, does Sujit have a friend over there? I think he is playing a game with us. And already he doesn't have any papers and visa itself. If he's stuck up with any girls around here means, here the law is too strong. You know very well, right? Huh?
But for now, he has escaped from there. And he's gone to Sony's godown. Looks like Sony's got some deal going on. Sometimes he used to call him and used to get him a lot of drinks.
Oh, that too.
Some sort of dealing is going between them. Sometimes he also buys him drinks.
Yeah.
goes with him as an escort to collect the money. Sometimes he also acts like a rowdy. Most of the time, Sony takes him along with him. He does so because Sujit will get some cash.
However, he is making money, no? But we are the most lazy and lousy peoples.
Then do one thing. Go and drop something. Otherwise, you work a pimp.
Sanal, don't
Hey,
do
then what to say?
Come on,
Talking like
cool
a
down.
bullshit.
Cool.
Please
Why
stop
are you
this
getting
nonsense.
angry? Please
Give me
cool
the
down.
money
Hey,
and send
come
him
on,
back.
come on, Sanal.
Sami, you have to tell this earlier itself.
Well, now that.
Whatever it is, be careful when you deal with him.
Well, I didn't say anything because I thought he was making some money, you know. But somehow, unfortunately, he's got addicted to that now. Okay, let's go.
Come on, get in the car.
Nobody has to help me.
Hey, come on. Get inside the car.
Okay. Relax, sit in the car.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Malikum salam. What do you want?
Now my situation is too bad.
Where is the rent?
I need some more time.
No. I'll give you 2 more days. Otherwise, I'm going to call the police. Okay?
Please.
No. Don't waste my time. Go.
I'm in such a big problem. Could you?
Don't you understand? Go. Just leave.
Such an arrogant fellow. See you. Oh my God, advocate.
Hey, Sanal. Sanal. Hey. Don't make me to run like this. How many days I'm calling you, no? You're not at all attending my call.
Actually, sir.
If you attend my call, sir, I'm in meeting. I will call you back after some time. What does it mean? Bloody bluffer. Sanal, I'm saying this seriously. This is not our country. This is Arabia. He's gone, huh? Hey, stop! Hey! So, you are here. Wait here. Please surrender to the police. If you go to the jail, no more cases will be filed on you. That is the law system following here.
Okay, then you do me one favor. Tomorrow morning,
You are coming to my office, right? Mr. Sanal, I have seen you for long.
see, everything will be alright. Just give me some more time to me, okay?
I have so many cases in abroad. Remind that. Self-confidence.
Only check bounces case, right? It's not a murder case.
See here. It is better to murder somebody. It will be very nice for you.
Is it?
Your family won't suffer like this. When you give the common forgiveness, you better send family and colleagues back to the country. Tomorrow itself, try to arrange some money. Look here. How's your dad? He is my old friend. Whenever he calls me, I cut the call without option. How can I answer his questions? How lavishly he brought you, no? Okay then. Tomorrow morning you have to be in office. Along with money. Don't forget. Do you hear me?
Advice only get free of cost. Then give me some money and help me out. Without money, you get only one take. That's advice only.
I've learned a lot of things from life. It doesn't matter how you make your money. Money is money and it has got immense power. And I'll do anything for money, you know. Well, when it comes to others' money, including yours too, you lend it at a smaller rate and I lend it at a higher rate. And that's how I make money. And when I take your money, I've given you blank checks for that.
You give me 10% and you get 25%, is it not? Can't you give me 1% more?
Hey Patel, I can give you something else. With you, I can consider giving some more. But you see that guy Matthew? He's a dangerous fellow. He's almost like a mafia, you know. He can even kill me and feed me to the crocodiles. So because I'm taking those risks, I'm looking for some benefits. What do you say? Hey Sujit! Come Patel. Hey Sujit, where does that girl stay,
I'll
man?
tell you, brother. Relax. Don't trust him, okay? He promised me twice to get a thing. He never keep his word. Kidnapping C from Sanal house. That is the money bank of accountant. Both the things are not completed yet.
Hey, what happened to the millionaire, that Subbu Swami's acquaintance? Think about getting more commission, Sujit.
My dear brother,
Yeah.
I also want to join you all. How are you?
Cheers.
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 Hey, I will wait till afternoon. After that, I will cut the power supply. If you don't pay tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you have to vacate the place. You'll be on streets. Let me see to whom you will complain and suspend me from the job.
First, you go and repair the
Huh?
lift phone, okay?
Bloody nuisance. I'm not scared of anyone.